Holy shit, look at the hail! Summer. I got it all on camera. Dad's over there. Oh shit. No? Allie, what about my dad? I know.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Look at the ground.
I think I should do the grill.
The grill. Oh my god. Here, are you getting this?
Yeah.
So am I. Holy shit. What about my dad, Ellie?
I had to turn off the grill.
Well, what about my dad? We can't just...
Take it over. Oh my god.
What?
Look into the garage.
Oh my god. Holy shit. How is this the middle of summer? Does this normally happen?
No, I gotta get out a jacket though.
This is the size of the hail compared to my hand. Oh my god. Is it still hailing? Oh my god, Jesus. Oh my god, it's going into our garage. I kind of want to stand in it. Are you okay?
Crazy. Now look.
Dad, look it, go!
Clear.
Oh my god. Oh my god. The sky is going clear.
I can't believe how far the water's coming in.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
The pool looks like it snowed on the thing. Oh, our pool
It looks like it just snowed. Oh my god. The sun's coming out. Oh my, Skylar's just like, what is going on?
Ellie, you didn't put stickers underneath that the bottom portion of something like buried underwater.
Oh no, honey.
Oh my god.
Look at it.
Our sticker fell off.
Alright, so let's check this out. So we got all this hail and it's freezing my feet. Oh
Is that
my,
crazy or what?
what the? Oh my god.
I can guarantee you a twister touchdown somewhere.
Oh my god. We have weather bugs.
Oh.
What happened?
Alright.
Bella. Look at the pool deck. It looks like there's snow on the pool deck.
Look at the
Oh.
sun.
Honey, go look at the front
Yeah, I
yard.
know, it hurts. And we got sun.
This is so cool.
You gotta look at the front
Look
yard.
at this stuff.
Oh my god, what does the front yard look like? Let me go put shoes on.
It's insane.
All
well,
right.
Bella, if you have shoes on, you gotta be careful. It's really slippery.
I know. I'm just gonna grab shoes and then go out. Huh, what shoes should I wear? I should probably wear winter shoes. It's pretty cold. Just throw these on. Alright, 1 second. Shit. I'm going out front.
You check your windshield?
Nothing's broken.
It's broken?
No, it's nothing. Nothing's broken. Are you guys getting footage? Oh my god. Hailstorm in August. Great. Oh my god. Look at... There's a river at my driveway. It's a river. It's like pretty deep. That was weird. Dad, look. It's a river. Oh my god. I got all that on footage, Dad.
Yeah, I know. When I was in the garage, there's no way. I would have come out, I would have gotten, like, killed. Stuff hurts.
Well, I stood out in it for a minute.
Yeah,
Look
no,
how
it's
big
coming
these
down.
are.
I know, some of them are like
The size of like...
balls.
That's nuts. Well, this was a great August day.
Oh, I wonder what's wrong.
I know, I hear the sirens.
Driving in this, there must have been accidents. This is like, look how slippery this is. Would you imagine being on the highway on 91?
Oh shit. We should look that up online.
Call Coco, see if she's okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the rainbows. Double rainbows.
Double rainbows! Woohoo! Cam, it's double rainbows.
Oh, hold on, I gotta go, baby. Bye.
That's so cool.
We have to see what else happened, because that's insane.
Alright, so we got the clouds that are moving away
Did
over
you get
there.
everything?
Everything,
Okay.
everything.
I gotta call the girls and see if they're okay.
Trees, sunshine, hail, rain, and a double rainbow. This is the best day of my life.
That's insane.
I can't believe I'm witnessing a double rainbow. Listen to that.
It's like winter time. It's in August. That is so cool.
Happy winter, August.